Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the video that you've been waiting for a very long time is here finally, and I bring you the Hot Wheels A case for 2025. Yes, the case was released in 2024, but here are some cars that I want to show you that I've got in this case. Okay, I hope these cars are visible. And together with that I got this as well. Yeah, not much cars, so we'll finish it up very quick. So before I start with these, I also want to show you that I had missed a few cars in the Q case. So this is here, and so is the 83 Chevy Silverado, right? So this is the VW T3 Custom in this beautiful color. I like VW vans, hence that is the car. First up we have the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32. This is from the HW screen time, and you can see the card art has changed. Look at this one here, and this one. So this is the new one. I like the new one much better than the previous one. I don't know why, I just do. They have made small changes to the card art. The font is bold now. Look at this compared to this one. Okay, so that's the styling that they're going with. So this comes in black. It has nice wheels, pretty stock. It has rear view mirrors. It has rear details, but it doesn't have any front details. I don't know why they have missed out on that. Okay, next up is Purple Passion. So this is from the HW Designed By series, and this is very nice casting. It reminds me of the Hero Hata Merc. So yeah, this is a cool one. By the end of the video I will show you which is the car that I like the most in this whole A case. So next one is the Cadillac Fleetwood. So this is a very lengthy car, and more on it in the whole video. So this is from the Rod Squad series. Alright, next up we have the Key Swap. This is the HW art car. I like this car. This is a cool one, and look at the headlamps here. They are pretty aggressive, right? I have to do the detailings. I will do the detailings when I am unboxing this, so that could be a bit longer video. I think 5 to 8 minutes. So yeah. Next up we have the 90 Honda Civic EF. So this is the HW 70s versus the 90s. The reason I got this car is because I like this blue color, and I also like the hatchback, and it's a Honda, so why not, right? It has front details and it misses out on rear details. Okay, next up we have is Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. I have this in the sky blue color from the previous year's case, and last year it was from the Tuned series. This one is from the J Imports, and this looks very nice in this purple color and with that golden accents. Excited to open this one as well. Last but not the least, we have the Morgan Super 3. This is a 3-wheel car, and this is new for 2025, and so is this one. This one is new for 2025 as well. So in this one you can see this nice blue shade colors. Very nice car, and this is from the Factory Fresh series. So I don't have the Ford Bronco and other cars, and I will not buy more because as I said in my previous Optimus Prime video. So yeah, if you haven't checked that already out, you can check it out. And yeah, the reason I'm not buying too much cars is because I think now I know what I need, and these are everything that I need. Okay, and as far as the favorite car from this case goes, it will be the Purple Passion. I love this casting, and more on this in the whole full video as well. And the second casting that I love the most as of now before opening the car is the Honda 90 Honda Civic EF. Okay, even this is a very cool casting from the A case. So this sums up my A case purchase. All right, some of these I got it from an offline store, some of these I got it from online, and 2 or 3 of these I think my friend helped me getting it, so thanks to him. Yeah, so that's it from today's video. and I would like to add that don't fall to the hype. Okay, people might say that yeah, this is the most hyped car. Like for now they say that this is the most hyped car. I just got it because it's a black Skyline, so that's it. I don't care about the what do you say, hype that is being generated outside. But yeah, it's just a Skyline, so I just wanted it in black color. I have the other color, so I just wanted it in black. That's why I got it. If they had released it in the same color, then I would have not gotten it. And this will be there in the B case as well. So yeah, and anyhow, as I told you, without the hype, I am trying to think without the hype, and I just want to build my own collection here. It is not because I'm building someone else's collection. I want to build my own, and it has its own uniqueness to it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it from today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay subscribed to see all these videos. Okay, I'll take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so whole week of amazing videos coming up in your feed. So do subscribe and share this video, and thank you so much for 1 lakh views on my channel, and this is a pretty awesome milestone, I feel, right? Yep. On that high note, I'll end this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely.